Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2003 Pontiac Grand Am. The battery is located in the front of the driver's side of the engine bay. With non-remote terminals and a bracket that has unobstructed access, jump-starting or replacing this battery will be very easy to do. Both the engine and interior fuse boxes are quick to find and have covers that remove without the use of tools. Both of these fuse boxes even come provided with their own fuse pullers for your convenience. The spare tire and jack kit are packaged together beneath the lining in the trunk. This will allow for quick removal and easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The headlights have rather convoluted access. For those in the main housing, a rivet popper will be necessary to first remove a covering panel before the housing itself can be disengaged. For the fog light in particular, a 10mm socket will be needed to disengage an access panel from underneath the vehicle. You must go through the back of the trunk door to access the center brake light. A Torx wrench will be necessary to disengage the bulb assembly from the vehicle, which may prove difficult if you do not have this tool readily available. The transmission fluid cap is positioned deep in the engine bay. Not only will you have to make a long and cramped reach around potentially hot engine components to remove the cap, but you must also take the vehicle into a dealership in order to actually check the fluid level. Overall, the 2003 Pontiac Grand Am is a somewhat easy vehicle to maintain, but given the numerous convoluted setups, it may be better recommended for those with prior knowledge in vehicle maintenance.